Ireland, an island nation in northwestern Europe, has a population of around 5.3 million people. Most of the population is concentrated in and around Dublin, the capital and largest city, located on the east coast. Other densely populated areas include Cork, Limerick, and Galway. In contrast, the western counties such as Mayo and Donegal are among the least densely populated, known for their quiet rural communities and open landscapes. The country's terrain is characterized by rolling green hills, fertile lowlands, rugged coastlines, and mountains such as Ben Bulben in County Sligo. Numerous rivers, including the River Shannon, the longest in Ireland, wind through its lush countryside. The landscape is dotted with lakes, peat bogs, and dramatic cliffs, making it one of Europe's most scenic nations. Ireland's economy is modern and highly developed, with three major sectors driving growth. The first sector is services, especially finance, IT, and tourism. The second important sector is industry, including pharmaceuticals and high-tech manufacturing. The third important part of the Irish economy is agriculture. Although agriculture represents a smaller share of GDP, it remains vital for exports, particularly dairy, beef, and whiskey production. The Irish climate is classified as temperate maritime, influenced heavily by the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf Stream. This results in mild temperatures year-round, with cool summers averaging around 19 degrees Celsius and relatively mild winters, occasionally dropping below 0 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is frequent and evenly distributed throughout the year, giving the country its famous lush greenery. The west coast tends to be wetter and windier, while the east experiences somewhat drier conditions. Overall, Ireland's mix of mild weather, vibrant economy, and stunning landscapes makes it a uniquely appealing nation. Stick around after this quick introduction because we've got some amazing footage headed your way. And if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons. This is really helpful for our channel. Now sit back, relax, and take in the amazing views as we soar over Ireland.